Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DENT token. The price line of DENT has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and in today's video I want to discuss this move with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the 4-hourly time frame. The formation was started here on 7th of Feb, and right now the price line has broken out this wedge here a few hours back, and so far it has rallied up to 3.2 cents approximately. The target can be here at the top of this wedge, that is approximately $0.0035, less than half cent. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame here, then DENT token is having a very nice support of $0.0022, and previously here it has been breaking back in Feb 2021. More than a year ago, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance. When we had this very powerful rally, we rejected and we move up again. And when we had this drop after the month of April to June 2021, the price line used this level as a stop loss, as a support. And after using this level as a support and having some accumulation above this support, the price line rallied very well again up to $0.0089, very close to 1 cent. And again, right now we are having another accumulation here above this support of $0.0022. And at the same time, this is really very important, the stochastic is oversold, and now we have received this cross, like this blue line has crossed up this orange line, that is a buying signal from the oversold zone. Previously, when we were oversold here, we had a very big rally, and again we can expect such reversal move, and we are still having a support of 100 weekly simple moving average below the price line. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we are moving in a long-term down channel, and breaking out this channel is very important, because that will be a real breakthrough once we will have a breakout from this channel. And this move that I shared a few days back with you, that was a very big harmonic move on the weekly time frame, that will be started after when we will have a breakout from this channel. You can see the formation was started here at the end of October. Right now still we are moving in this channel. We are recently rejected from 7th of Feb to 11th of Feb, and after this rejection we are again gearing up, and the reason for this gear up is the breakout from this falling wedge on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And now if the price line hits here at the top of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $0.0035, then if we take a look at the resistance of this wedge, that is approximately this channel, that is approximately here at $0.0334. So there will be a very high probability that the price line break out this time, this resistance of the down channel, as we have formed a very big harmonic reversal move as well that I shared with you. And you can also follow the targets of this harmonic move, or if the price line breaks out this channel, our target, the final target, can be here at the top of this channel, that will be approximately at $0.008. However, you can also follow the targets of this harmonic bullish reversal guardline move, and these sell targets are starting from $0.005335 and goes to $0.0076. When I shared this idea, you can see at that time it was moving at $0.00259, and after playing the chart we can see that so far price line has rallied approximately up to $0.035. That is more than 40% approximately. However, this is just the beginning, and there is a very big move still due, that is from $0.0053 and goes to $0.0076. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.